Jeff Bates is my name. Dole Whip Dad is my regular channel. This is the Animated Investor. These are my why. Why do I want money? I want to make more of a difference. I want to give more to the things and the people I love. I want to do more of the things that make me happy. And you know what? Money helps me do that. YouTube helps me do that. And this is what I'm going to do to make more on YouTube and to create more opportunities for me and my family. If that interests you, stick around. Let's have some fun. All right, my current positions on Disney. So I signed up on Webull specifically to be able to trade free to pick up Disney stock. And obviously my my trading has changed since then. It's not been that long. So the first trade I ever made on Webull was Disney. It was buying Disney on February 28th. And so this video is simply about my Disney positions to get you up to speed on where I'm at and why, and so we can continue the conversation. So on February 28th, I picked up my first Webull stocks. Stock is stock. You bought it on Webull, but I got four using the Webull platform at $115.67, and I was ecstatic. Again, if you heard my story from a previous video, or maybe you haven't, but I waited till I got to $1,000 in revenue on earnings on YouTube on my channel, Dole Whip Dad, my main channel. Check it. Oh no, check it out. It's right there. And so I didn't take any money out until I raised $1,000. I just didn't want to spend it on Arby's. I've already got enough belly space. So I wanted to put it to good use and to put it back into the YouTube channel and into my family long term so I can get more Disney with my grandkids. So we bought 4 shares on February 22nd at $115.67. I was ecstatic. That represented about half of my earnings over about a year. Took me about a year to get monetized, and I mean, I guess I got monetized in May of 2019. So I guess it took me about 10 months to earn that money. But I put half of that money that YouTube shared with me from AdWords revenue, from super chats, from friends and fans and viewers. I think that's it. Am I forgetting anything? So whatever, the revenues from YouTube, I took half of it, of about 1,000, and I put it into 4 shares of Disney at $115.67. I was ecstatic with that, by so much so that on March 4th, just 6 days later or whatever, I bought 2 more at $115.92. So that represented what, $116 times 6, so a little under $700. I ended up putting about 70% of my first $1,000 I ever made on YouTube into Disney stock. Why? Because it was just at 133. So when Disney Plus was announced, when the pricing was announced by Bob Iger, Disney stock had been hovering at the 100, 110 level for quite some time. Popped to 130, went all the way up to 155, I think. I think the 52-day week high is 155. I don't want to lie to everybody. Let's see what it is. The 52-week high, 153.41. That was the highest point, and that was not too long after the announced pricing on Disney Plus. So I'm excited about it, right? So I buy what I buy. Now I've got 6 shares of Disney, and for this guy who runs a nonprofit, I was excited. I was feeling proud of myself. And so 70% of my almost a whole year-long earnings, plus it took me a year to get to that point, I put all into that. I was excited. The next day I was so excited that I put in another $114, and I bought 1 more share at $113.95. Then I went 11 more days. On March 16th, I bought 2 more at $91.50 because this sucker was dropping, right? Everything going on in the world right then. 2 days later, it dropped all the way down to $80.66. I bought another share at that. That's the lowest I've ever bought one at. 5 days later, on March 23rd, I bought 2 more at $81.96, and it's been going up since then. April 3rd, I bought 1 more at $95.34, and then yesterday, as I videoed this, it's April 22nd. Yesterday, on April 21st, I got another AdWords or YouTube revenue check, and I put more than half of it into another stock of Disney. I got one at $99.99 because I wanted to get it under 100. So I currently own, through the Webull platform, buying 14 shares of Disney at an average price of $102.24. At 12:05 in the afternoon on April 22nd, that's the moment that I'm speaking right now, the average price of my 14 shares is $102.41. So I've currently lost some money, and that doesn't make me sad at all, because I want it to go down, because I want to buy I'm a 50-year-old who didn't put any money into the market until, a couple months ago. My whole life before this, I owned like 7 total shares my whole life. It might even be less than that. It's Disney, and I bought direct. But with Webull and other options like this, I'm really, really excited to get into this. So yeah, I currently am at a loss on my Disney stock. I've lost currently almost $12 total. So I put all that money in, and I've lost 12. I'm long on Disney. I think, what does that mean? I think in the long term, it's going to be a good value. The 52-week high was in the 150s. I believe it'll be at 150 at the end of the year. That's Jeff's personal opinion. I think it'll be at least 180 by the end of next year. That's Jeff's personal opinion. And I think we're going to do real well with this. My hope with this, everything I do is to put into Disney stock as long as I think it's a good company. And currently I very much do. And I mean that by in the long term. Obviously, I'm a consumer and an uber Disney fan. And I also believe in the business of it. So I think long term, this is going to help me do things in Disney that I want to do. Buy DVC points, maybe buy a home in Orlando someday. I am very long on this. I'm insanely proud that in a month and a half, I've got that many shares of stock. That's my position on Disney, and I'm excited about it. And I will be buying more for sure. All right, everybody, I want you to do 3 things, all right? At least 2 out of the 3 things. Well, at least 1 of the 3 things. Smash the like button. Smash the like button. The channel's new. I need you to smash the like button. The algorithms on YouTube need you to do it, so it puts it out so you didn't hate this, okay? Also, subscribe. If you want to start investing, you can do it yourself. I am not a pro. You don't need to be either. This is for entertainment purposes only. And you know what's entertaining? Making money so I can buy more DVC points and take my family to Disney with me. On Webull, if you sign up with my link, they love me and they give me stuff, and they love you and they give you stuff. The promotions change all the time. I currently have about 5 free, I didn't pay anything, shares of stock of Comcast. They're about worth $18 each. That's almost $100 of nothing free money that they've given me. And others have free money that they've given them. You sign up, and I think they give you 2 and they give me 2. I think if you sign up, I get 1, and if you deposit $100, I get another, and I think it's the same for you. But it changes all the time, and who knows when you're watching this. Use Webull. It's awesome. Now, I also use RobinHood. RobinHood is also awesome. I signed up with RobinHood. They gave me 1 free stock. It's worth about $4. It's an oil stock, and I'm holding it because I think it'll go up, and we'll talk about that in another video. RobinHood, use my link. You get a free stock. I get a free stock. Webull, you get free stocks, and I get free stocks. I prefer Webull. I don't hate either. I love Webull. Do whatever you want. Sign up, use my link. We both win. All of this is for entertainment purposes only. I am not a financial investment advisor. I'm not a broker. I'm not a dealer. These are my personal experiences and opinions. Don't use my opinion for your strategies. Just do the research. There is risk involved. My results are not typical. Go get pro advice. Also, I have affiliate links. Some of the links pay me if you use them, and it costs you nothing extra.